Chevrolet adds Flair to 2021 Silverado HD with 4 special editions. In addition to Chevrolet Truck's announcement of a best-in-class towing figure of £36,000 for its 2021 Chevrolet Silverado HD, the company also introduced 4 special editions to add some custom factory flair to its lineup of 2500 and 3500 and 3/4 and 1-ton pickup trucks. While these HD Special Edition trucks don't quite reinvent the Chevy HD, they do add some additional flavor via stylistic cues and exterior accents. The 4 special editions for model year 2021 are the Carhartt Special Edition, Midnight Edition, Z71 Sport Edition, and Z71 Chrome Sport Edition. Seeing these in the wild isn't too far off. The Carhartt starts production in fall 2020, while the remaining trio is on track to hit dealers in late 2020. Carhartt Special Edition. The positive response to the Silverado HD Carhartt concept from the 2016 SEMA show inspired the 2 Detroit-based companies. Carhartt was founded in 1889 and is known for durable and rugged work apparel to bring a collaboration to production. The foundation is a Silverado 2500 LTZ crew cab paired with the Z71 off-road package, which itself adds Tune Rancho shocks, hill descent controlled, and skid plates. The mosaic black metallic exterior, the only available color, is highlighted by Carhartt gold pinstriping, Carhartt door and tailgate badging, and a Carhartt logo embossed on the soft roll-up tonneau cover. It rolls on 20-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, and a tasteful combo of body color parts, like the grille bar and front and rear bumpers, add to the look. The Carhartt theme runs strong on the inside with Carhartt badged all-weather floor mats and jet black and Carhartt brown two-tone leather seats with embroidered Carhartt logos on the headrests, of course. Midnight Edition. Hope you have a good detailer on speed dial, because black on black is the name of the game for the 2021 Silverado HD Midnight Edition. Available on LT and LTZ Silverado HDs, black ones, that is, further blackness is achieved by darkening the grille bar, grille insert, skid plate, badging, and wheels. It comes standard with 18-inch aluminum wheels, but can be optioned with 20s. Z71 Sport Edition. An athletic look with a splash of black characterizes this special truck. Available on LT and LTZ trims, the Z71 Sport Edition gets its initial pop thanks to its patriotic trio of exterior color options: Red Hot, Summit White, and North Sky Blue Metallic. While the bumpers, grille bar, and door handles are color-matched, other exterior accents are rendered in black, including the grille insert, badging, skid plate, mirror caps, hood vent, and wheels. 18 or 20-inch. Z71 Chrome Sport Edition is something chromier, more your style. The Z71 Chrome Sport Edition, available on LT and LTZ trims, wood has the flash you seek, specifically on elements like the door handles, skid plate, grille insert,